How to translate Douyin app to English. So if you want to translate Douyin app to English, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. And let me tell you one thing, that you won't be able to translate Douyin app to English from the application itself. So in order to translate it, you need to have another application. Without that, you don't have any other option. So you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instant Translate on screen. After searching, you will have the applications. You can go and install the application, tap on install, and it will be installed. After installing, you can launch the application and then translate any app's text. You can translate the whole screen itself if you want to. You will have smart text and color. You'll be able to translate comics and mangas. It supports more than 200 languages. So use this application to translate Douyin app to English. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.